You too, family. We are back. Welcome back, man, and welcome to all the newcomers, man. It is your boy, Jay the Sneaker Guy, coming at y'all today with yet another unboxing, man. Look, I have pretty much, thought to myself that I'm gonna just go ahead and hit you guys with these unboxings of these shoes as I get them, instead of having to take 3 or 4 days off because of my work schedule. I'll go ahead and hit y'all with an unboxing quick video, and then down the line I'm gonna hit y'all with the review and on feet of them, just so that the channel won't dry up. You know what I'm saying? Hit that thumbs up. Let me know if y'all like the fact of me, hitting y'all with these unboxings when I get them in hand, and then, like I said, try to sometime here in the near future hit y'all with the reviewing on feet for those, because it takes time and I'm a busy man. Look, I got real life things going on, if you understand. I mean, if you know, you know. But yeah, man, thank y'all for rocking out with your boy, man. I truly appreciate y'all spending this time with me, clicking on the video, and yeah, rocking with the fam, man. If this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, go ahead and join the family that we have, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. Look, man, blessing, man, blessing. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys for the support that y'all give me, man. Like I said, man, positivity and just y'all keep me going, man. And we have the best fam out there, man. So hey, if y'all want to be a part of the best fam, hey, we loyal over here, we solid, we share information with each other, man. If you want to be a part of what we got going on over here, man, go ahead and rock with us. Hit that subscribe button. In advance, welcome to the family. But yes, man, we do have another unboxing. These shoes did fly under the radar. They did not release in the US, they released overseas, and this was a pickup from StockX, man. StockX isn't my go-to app as far as for getting like resale shoes off those markets. It's normally GOAT, but GOAT had these shoes going for like $420, I want to say. It was like $420 for the lowest price on GOAT, and they were under half that with StockX. So I was like, man, somebody was trolling with that price on GOAT. But since then the price has went down. But like I said, man, I went with StockX because the price was so cheap. But it's not my just like I said, it's a personal preference. There's no difference between the two apps. You have your risk with both of them, but like I said, my personal preference is GOAT. So first pickup from GOAT in a long time, and we're about to unbox it and see what we got, man. Let's do it. Bang! Yes, another box, man. Hey, boxes are good, man. We ain't even gonna waste no time. We gonna go ahead and grab this box cutter back here. We gonna pop it open and check them out, man. Check them out, check them out. See what we got going on in here, man. Popping it open. It's upside down, but we can fix that. We can fix that. But as you can see, the bottom of the box, it is a black Jordan box, GS looking box. It is a shoe that I have been unboxing a lot lately, or reviewing lately, all that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bang, there we go. That's the front of the box, man. We got that black GS looking size, that black GS looking box. Taking a look at the size label on this pair, it reads Air Jordan 1 Low Q54. I already know what time it is, man. Quay 54 or Quay 54 Air Jordan 1 Lows. If you know, you know, man. This is my first time seeing these in hand, but the color block on this one is Sail Team Orange. What does that say? Borrow Q Brown. That's different, but this was an overseas pickup, y'all, so we do not have a manufactured retail price on this one. So hey, it is what it is. Size 9, your boy size, yada yada. But let's go ahead and pop open this box, get a close look at them, man. Opening up the lid, we get this upgraded. Like I said, I ain't shopped with StockX in so long, but we do got some card with a Louis Vuitton bag on here. Hype beast, man. Hey, we don't need that, but you do get that card that comes inside from StockX. You got your 2-3 written in gold on your paper on these, and moment of truth, y'all. Let's go ahead and check out. Before I do that, you do get a lot number on this box on the top of the lid, as well as a red Nike swoosh. So that's something that we don't normally see too much, is that red swoosh, but we do got one on this one. And as I said, y'all, moment of truth, man. Let's check them out, see what we got. Dang. Yes, man. Just from having them right here in my hand, looking at them, these are clean. These are dope, man. Let me go ahead and take them out real quick, man, and get y'all up close and personal look at these. And we'll talk about them real quick, but we will be getting into an official review and on feed of these. But these, bruh. Ooh, let me take them both out real quick, man. Let me take them both out. Damn. They did give me a little StockX sticker, which I don't need. But man, oh yeah, and this does come with that white and green sticker, man. So this is more of one of the, I don't know, I guess it's a little more premium one, because you don't get none of that stuff with your like regular Air Jordan 1 lows. But man, brother, man. Bang! There we have them, y'all. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low Quai 54s. And bruh, damn. Bruh. Okay. Your boy has been praising these right here, man. I have been praising these. This has been the #1 Air Jordan Low out there, man. But boy, these right here are fire. This is a fire pair of Air Jordan 1 lows, bro. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Just look at it. You see what's going on around that ankle collar, man. You see it. You see what's going on. Just, you see it. Bruh, this shoe has some premium leather on it. Like this is by far the best quality Air Jordan 1 low out there, hands down. This has caught me by a surprise right now, man. This is dope, bro. This is dope, man. Quick overview of it, man. Look, you got your what is this, tribal stuff? I don't know what this is, but it's on a canvas material. You have on that side panel right there. You got a brown Nike swoosh here. You got this like cream color on the whole shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like you got your pure white, of course, on your midsole, but you have a cream upper, which is dope, man. You got that same pattern on your toe box. Taking a look at that tongue, you get that 2-3 in orange, as well as yeah, I think that's the basketball, because you know the Quad 54, that's a basketball tournament. It happens every June, I believe. So you get your Quad releases in June of every year, but that I guess symbolizes the basketball tournament. But it is on a canvas style tongue, just like it's a canvas material that you get on that tongue, as you can see it. And dope, man, it does have that off-white touch, as you can see, like that unfinished touch. Bro, these are fire. Gum bottom outsoles on them, man. These are fire. I'm not even gonna talk about it anymore, man. They do come with an extra set, 2 extra sets of laces, brown and orange. I know we're gonna swap it out. We might gotta do a little more than brown and orange, but bruh, Quai 54 Air Jordan 1 lows, fire. What more can I say, man? Hey, I'm gonna just stop there, because I'm gonna basically give y'all the full review right here, man. These are dope, man. Let me know down below in the comment box what you think about these. Look, do you think, just like I said, y'all not seeing these in hand, but y'all seeing it through the video, do you think that there's a possibility that these might be better than the reverse breads? This is the top dog right now, man. Everybody's talking about these. Everybody wants to get their hands on them. But do you think that this has the potential? I ain't gonna hold you. I do, bro. I do. But we gonna talk about them. I might actually do a comparison on both of them, man. Let me know down below if y'all want to see a comparison, breaking down, you know, just the different things. But this is a premium premium Air Jordan 1 Low. Haven't seen nothing like this, man. This has caught me by surprise, man. But yeah, man, that's it for the Air Jordan 1 Low Quad 54s, man. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Is it a shoe that y'all would pick up? And if you are thinking to pick these up, man, grab them now, because I'm watching the prices are going up on these. I think they're in the 2s right now, man. But I didn't pay in the 2s. I got them while they were in the 1s, man. But they're in the 2s now, so do not sleep if you like these. But these are hard. But yeah, man, we gonna check out, man. If this is your first time stopping through, hit that subscribe button. A lot more things coming to the channel, man. So appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Air Jordan 1 Low Quad 54s, man. We up out of here, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Yeah, yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. 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 You know what it be? YouTube family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kickin' major play, how I rocks with it. They cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the socks with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rockin' with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new pair of Nikes. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now.